Hi friends, welcome back to the Reset Retreat. I'm so excited you're here. We're gonna keep this great progress you've got going. Today is day 2, legs and glutes. Let's get started. We're gonna start laying down on the ground. So come on, turn around to the face, front of the mat, arms reach forward, and roll the spine down, bone by bone, onto your back. Starting with some breathing here. So we're just gonna take some time to find ourselves on a mat. Take a full breath in, finding our center, and exhale, exhale, softening the muscles and letting go of anything that's not serving us today. Full breath in, imagine your lungs and ribs, everything fills up. And as you exhale, your muscles soften. You feel more centered and focused for your intention here today. So set your sacred intention for yourself here today. And as you exhale, letting go of anything that's worrying you or distracting you as you focus this time for yourself to reset. From here, bring the right leg into tabletop and left leg into tabletop. Place both hands on the knees. From here, we're going into gentle knee stir. So from here, circle the legs out, around and in. The hips stay still as the leg bones, so the thigh bones, stir in the hip socket. Going out, around and in. Loosening up those joints, preparing for a bit more dynamic movements for our legs and our glutes, strength and mobility. And go the other way, around and in. Open around and in. This is such a good exercise to do anytime. Last 2. Last 1. And lower the legs down. Turn around to face me. Stack your body against the back edge of the mat here. From here, you can rest your head on your hand or prop yourself on your hand. Bend both knees for clamshell. From here, open that top leg up and close. Opening and closing while maintaining this hip stacked. Open and close. Internal and external rotation, very important for our everyday mobility and strength. And open and close. Keep that posture open. Your spine is long as you smile and build that strength, improve your energy. Last 1. Lower the legs down. From here, bring the top leg completely up. So we're gonna go into clam lift up and down. Lift and lower. And don't worry if you can't come all the way up. Just go to a range of motion that you can go to today. So there's no need to compare yourself to me. You don't have to look like me. Find what feels good and follow that, right? So working on what works for you today. Every day is different. The fact that you're here means a lot for yourself, emotionally, physically, and mentally. So I just want to commend you for that, all right? This is your last one. Straighten both legs out into diagonal and bend that top knee and place it on right on top of your knee or calves, whichever feels most supportive for your posture here. Going into up and down, lift and lower. Up and down, lift and lower. Keep that length. Try to keep those hips stacked as you lift and lower the leg at the bottom, and the top leg is just relaxed and hanging out there. And up and down modification, you can bend that top knee down onto the ground rather than using that top leg for that body weight. Last 1, lower the leg down, straighten both legs out, stack them for your hot potatoes. From here, you're gonna go top leg goes up, flex that foot, tap the heel in the front, and lift, tap in the back. Lift, flex, lift, back. And let's add a little variation. So flex, external rotation, the thigh bone is turned up. Lift, internal rotation as you come down. So working on that full range of motion, internal and external rotation on our hips, on our legs. Things that we don't necessarily think about until there's some issues, right? So we want to be able to be mobile, flexible for a long time. And that's why we got moves like this, so you can enjoy everyday activity with joy and ease. Last 1, front, and last 1, back. Stack those legs on top, and from here we're gonna go ahead and come up, swing the leg over, and come on down onto the ground. all the way down or with your arms propped up, bending the knees, stacking them. I'm going to put it out into diagonal, but you can also modify to make it work for you as you open that top leg and close. Open and close. Keep breathing naturally, so don't hold your breath. Open and close. Keep your spine long, ribs funneled in. So making sure we're not popping our ribs forward. And open and close. You're doing great. Keep this great progress you've got going. I'm with you. I'm cheering for you. Let's do 2 more. Last one. And close the legs. From here, we're going into up and down. Remember, you can change the range of motion. Knees forward or a little bit further down. Going into straight up and down. Lift and lower. Maintaining that hip stack. You can place your hand on top to help you guide that hip to stay stacked. Your waistline is long. Up and down. Lift and lower. I'm starting to feel the burn. I don't know about you. Last 3, 2, last one. Lower the legs, straighten both legs out into diagonal. Bend that top leg. Place the foot on top of the knee or the calves. Choose what feels good today, and you go up and down. Lift and lower. Can you lengthen your spine a little bit more? Maintain that upper body still as the top leg goes up and down. Lift and lower. Up and down. Making sure we're not holding on to our neck or our face. And lift and lower. Keep lengthening that leg away from the hip. And up and down. Last one. Lower the leg down. Straighten both legs up and away. Realign the spine for hot potato. Bring that top leg up. Externally rotate. And lower that leg out, tap in the front, flexing the foot, lift up, internally rotate, and point that foot down. Up, in front, up, and back. Lift and lower, lift and back. Keep going. You can also place both hands on top of your head to open up that chest. Really good way of improving your posture and maintaining that stability. Stability is just as important as mobility, right? Lift and lower, up and back. Last one forward and last one back. Stack the legs right on top of each other and turn over onto your back for figure 4 stretch. You've done the hard work. Now we're gonna go ahead and enjoy a good stretch here. From here, bring the leg and cross one leg over the other into this figure 4 stretch. Hold on to the thigh here and just breathe here. Feeling that stretch all along the glutes. Breathe and enjoy. So proud of you for showing up. You're doing all the amazing things to take care of your health and wellness. And lower that leg down. Bring the hands up to the side. Make a letter T or a V. We're going into twisted figure 4 stretch for a little deeper stretch along the glutes and along the waistline and the hips. Breathe. Keep that chest open, eyes to the sky, and smile. And slowly bring that leg back up, uncross the leg. Let's go to the other side. So from here, reach across. This side might feel different than the other. And remember, you don't have to go all the way across as I am. Go to a point where you feel that stretch without pain, okay? So important. Listening to your body, honoring your body. And slowly bring it back to your center. Let's go up into that figure 4 for that side. Lifting that top leg up. Breathe. Keep the shoulders relaxed. Neck is soft. Jawline is relaxed. Just enjoying how good this feels in your body. And uncross your leg, lower the legs down, turn around, and come up to seated. And sit up tall, nice and tall, rest your hands. Close your eyes for a moment. Take a full breath in and deep breath out, feeling calm, restored and renewed. And open your eyes. Congratulations, you did it. You completed day 2, legs and glutes. You're doing amazing. Keep this great progress going, and I'll see you back here for day 3. Thanks for joining me today. If you like this video and want to see more classes like this video, subscribe to this channel, and let me know how today's class went for you in the comment section below.